Welcome back to Tuned Up Chuck. Today I'm going to show you how I like replacing my little pieces, rusted out old pieces, how I cut them out and get them welded into the car without making a huge mess. Maybe not so much on the mess part, but how I cut them out and get them welded back in. Yeah, let me show you. Do something like this here. Take my piece, put it on here. Normally I just hold it, but I'm trying to be professional. You know, want to look good for the camera. Oh, looking good. Lord, help me. Okay. So yeah, something like that. Take my soapstone. Good. Nice straight lines. Once I have it outlined, I'll cut it just outside the lines, and then when I get it over to where I've cut this piece out of the car, it'll be a little bit bigger, so I can always bring it down to size. Show you that over there. So this here is the piece that I cut out to fit in approximately right here. So take a magnet and go, okay, yeah, no, that doesn't fit. Sometimes what I'll do with the soapstone is I'll put it in so it's close, and then I'll run a line, and then I can see how much has to come off of this by how far the line is off. But right now, it looks pretty good. Some needs to come off the top, and some needs to come off right here. So the flap disc is where we go with that one. Way too much. Okay. So you got a bit of a gap there and a bit of a gap here. That's good. And it takes them off the top now. And yeah, we'll go from there. See, what you want is you want a little bit of a gap all the way around, because if it's too close, what's going to end up happening is you'll have a lot of lot of like it'll draw the metal around, and you don't want that. So you want to have a bit of a gap, so when you tack it, you're going to tack here, tack here, tack here, tack here. Try to keep it evened out. Oh yeah, this here, don't worry about that. That is, yeah, don't, just, yeah, there, don't worry about that. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, before you rudely interrupted, make sure there's a bit of a gap all the way around. I'm going to take a little bit more off here, so this will come up a bit. Okay, we got her almost perfect. Just gonna take a little skinny off there because that's really close, and I got some other stuff to do in there, but we'll be right back. And just want to add, I didn't say I was good at what I do, but I get it done. I'm sure there's better ways to do it. I'm sure there's worse ways to do it. But it works for me, and when I'm doing floors, outside body panels, that's a whole different story. But anyway, I got some stuff to do. I will set you guys back up once I'm ready to weld that little panel in. Okay, well, I got the patch ready to go in. I got her all squared up. I know there's a little bit of rust beside it, but that's going to be changed after. We have a couple of plates and stuff that are coming that we're going to change this whole piece, but in order to get the feller on the road, we're just going to do this for now, and then we're going to change the whole bracket underneath and everything later. So this is just to get us going anyway. You can see here, got a little gap all the way around it. And then when I start welding, I'll put a bead here, 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 here. Just try to spread them out. Make sure the panel's still level when I do it. And kind of go from there. Anyway, we'll put you guys up top here so you can see what I'm up to. I'm struggling a bit on this one, but that's okay. Nice and smooth. That's all you can ask for. The rest is just going around it slowly. Don't want to overheat it because then it'll just go whoop, and it won't be nice. Well, as you can see, I got her all welded up. It got a little warmer than I would have liked, but that's okay. It seems to be nice and straight. I'm gonna grind it all off now and then hit it with the frame paint. There's nice thick heavy duty paint, and move on to the next hole over here. We'll see what the time allots us, but for now we're grinding that, clean that up, and we'll go from there. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that jazz. hopefully we'll get into some heavier duty content besides just making this old Eagle soar. Mind you, it is a wonderful project, and it will be an awesome rig once we're rolling again. So that being said, thanks again. Like, subscribe, have a good day.